My name is Carolyn, and I've lived in the Seattle area since '83. And I started with chiropractic when I was probably in my early 20s, and I'm now 50. I came to Meadows Family Chiropractic when I had kind of gotten fed up with other chiropractors who just did the same thing over and over and over again when I visited with them. And I liked the fact that they had sophisticated diagnostics and also had a lot of really good material that I could learn more in depth about chiropractic with. And I hated going into the back room to do my traction exercises, but they really helped for a while. And then the main thing is, I think, that I keep coming back because I ride horses all the time, and I'm constantly having something going on with me that needs to be tended to. And the main thing is, I think I like the fact that the doctors here are able to feel out my body every time I come in and work out what different adjustments I need each time. And so I've never really felt that there's any kind of just standard, oh, you do this and, then we collect your money and then you go home. It's really more, I think, personalized care. And that's what really keeps me coming back. Plus, they give me free coffee.